Hello and welcome to a spooktacular episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. Halloween is this weekend, and we have the drink for you. This is Jeff.
Howdy.
I'm Robbie. Today, we're going to do the Muddy River Goblin Goo. Ooh. So, this drink we're making is going to be made in a pitcher. You could do a version of this. A virgin version of this, and then add alcohol later, which for those of you with kids, including us, our kids are pretty young now, but
they don't be drinking.
It might be something where you make the cocktail and then spike it later, but we're just going to do it all together now, and then you can make that decision for yourself. The recipe will be in the description below, so please check that out, and we'll go ahead and get started. So this is going to be a basil rum. Yeah. We love our basil rum. It's the only basil rum that exists in the universe, at least according to Google. Yeah. Really cool. And real proud of it. I think it works well in this drink. So we'll go ahead and get started. Cool. Step one to this drink is 1 can of limeade. We're also doing 1 can of frozen lemonade. And then we're going to add 1 liter of Sprite. All right, and then we're going to add half a bottle of basil rum.
All right.
That's all you right there. So Jeff's just going to pour that in there.
This was about half a bottle, right?
Yeah, it's close enough. Maybe a little over half a bottle, but it's basil rum, so it's not going to hurt.
No, not at all. It's going to be a party of 2 right now. We're going to feel pretty good after this one. I guess we'll have it with some other folks.
We got the rest of the evening. It's down. Our Halloween party is we down the rest of the evening. All right, so we've got our basil rum there, and then the last ingredient, or pretty much the last main ingredient, is sherbet.
Sherbet?
That's right, sherbet. Lime sherbet.
I think it's pronounced sherbet.
Tomato. Getting it all over our nice cocktail table.
Yeah, it's spooktacular color.
It is. I'm just going to keep putting this in there until the glass looks full.
Until we fill it up?
It calls for 1 quart of sherbet.
1 quart of sherbet. Yeah, it is looking good. Frothy.
Really goblin-y.
Really, yep. Goblin Goo. I think that was the right call for that one.
Oh, yeah. It's like a cauldron. Who calls it sherbet, really?
Sherbet? Where are you from?
All right. You ready to pour this thing?
Yeah, let's see it.
God, she's heavy.
No hand?
No. Save your applause to the end. This is a great drink for pumpkin carving.
Probably even put it in like a big bowl and have a ladle or something as well.
That's pretty. You know what would really make this nice?
What's that?
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs? Well, just so happens we have some eyeballs right here.
Eyeballs. That's awesome. Frozen eyeballs. Ooh. What's better than a drink that can look at you? All right. That really is. That's Halloween right there in the glass.
That looks great.
Basil rum. And super easy to make. Now you're just taking it to another level.
Taking it to the next level here.
That is absolutely gorgeous. That really is.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
Should we try it?
I think so.
All right.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. The description, recipes in the link in the description below. You can find our products in your local ABC store and check us out on social media. We just won top 10 craft rum distilleries in the country by USA Today, and that's enough for me to celebrate.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, friend.
Happy Halloween. That's good.
That is really good.
I got a sherbet mustache.
Oh man,
Oh, it's so spooky.
yeah, that is actually really bright and limey, and the basil pairs really nicely with the lime.
Unless you're
throwing
throwing
these
hard.
out over here. Mess over here, Robbie.
What made the mess? Pretty sure it was you mixing.
For sure, it was you pouring.
I'm feeling pretty good. Surprise!